Niliona later. You know, Diana is a content creator, so she is very spontaneous. She's very random. So we saw later when people were calling and all that. Then I think she pulled down the video. But mine is to just pray for the schools, and encourage the young people that uh, at the end of the day, we have a future to protect.
Karibu sana Baha.
Yes, asante. Yes.
Tumbili.
Yes, niko hapa na mheshimiwa.
Incoming. Tuseme ama tusiseme?
Time itakuja. Niko na more than earthquake. Niko na earthquake. Yes.
Sawa Bahati, tumekuwa ukisupport sana Kambas, and today we are here to launch Kamba Festival 2026.
Yes.
How do you feel about it?
I feel good. I feel good to support my community, my home people. Yeah, at the end of the day, I'm Bahati Kioko. So, yeah. East, West, home is still the best. And
Bahati, what we know, kitu tunajua about Bahati ni mtu ambaye msanii ambaye analipwa pesa mingi sana, lakini Bahati amesema kuwa this coming Kamba Festival anakuja na tajiri, bibi yake tajiri Diana, and atakuja kusupport Ricky B.
yes,
That's a good thing. Why did you
supporting Kamba Festival with 1 million Kenyan shillings, of course in advertising, and I will perform for free. I'll perform for free.
Okay.
Last time in Machakos waliniita sana, lakini budget ilikuwa ingi. Sasa nikaona hii mambo ya kushinda nikibagain, imefika 700, ongeza 100. So I'll support Ricky B for free this Kamba Festival, and I just want to give a good show and just bless his hard work and his vision. Yeah, so msanii number 1 atafute pesa alipe hao wengine. Mimi ndamsupport for free.
Wewe sasa hizi pesa imekuwa mingi. Maokoto imejaa.
Si hivyo tu, ni kusupport tu.
Okay. Tumbili hapa na swali, tumbili
na unajua Baha, mi kwanza ni kuappreciate because lately umeembrace Kamba sana. I think your last projects are in vernacular.
Yes.
And, which criteria were you using to select these artists ambao ulifanya nao? Cause alafu kuna not in semi allegation, according to me the last 2 songs were like similar.
Yes, so the first song I did Kanakangai, mtoto wa Mungu, and then I did a remix with one of Kamba artists anaitwa Mwalili Junior, very talented. Okay, he has a very good song called Historia, so the chords were the same. We did a fusion. Yeah, Kanakangai.
Just a quick one, Baha. Right now, I saw some blogs writing about your wife Diana, questioning your son Morgan about history yao ya kufukuzwa shule for like kumekuwa na tension mob. As a parent, can you comment on what's happening, the trend inafanyika kwa mashule, then tell us if you're okay with Diana on camera? You know what's people.
Okay, mimi niliona later. You know, Diana is a content creator, so she is very spontaneous. She's very random. So we saw later when people were calling and all that. Then I think she pulled down the video. But mine is to just pray for the schools, and encourage the young people that at the end of the day, we have a future to protect. Kwa sababu when you're planning a strike, you never know how it will end up. Like the girls who did the Utumishi, arson attack and all that. So I think also for the students, I think these are Gen Alphas, okay? And young people, you need to remember that you have a future to protect. Unaweza fanya kitu kama hiyo, maybe you are not even intending to kill or to do, and then it ends up the wrong way. So just be careful, there's time for everything. Najua kuna kitu nasemanga, you only in school for 3-4 years, you're planning to live 70, 100 years, you know. So if you can make use of the 4 years that you're in school, it will create a foundation that will protect you the next 70 years that you will live. Because a good grade, being a good student in school, you know, behaving and making sure that you've used that time the right way, it prepares you for the life outside here. Sababu maisha hapa nje si rahisi. Unajua ni vile tuambiangi si rahisi. Si chocho na social media. Tumbili anaweza kuambia, see, it's not easy, you know. And what you're doing right now in school will determine the many years that you live outside there. You will live more out there in the outside world, more than the time you'll be in school. So just use your time wisely and do the right thing. Focus. Do your studies right.
Do you think school
Oh, sorry. Two questions. Since we are parents, but you are a senior parent, there is a debate to abolish boarding schools, and one of your son is in boarding. Number two, what's your say on CCTV in the dormitories?
Honestly, as long as the CCTVs are not exposing these kids, let's say when let's say they are changing, I don't think it's a bad thing, because look, if we didn't have CCTVs at Utumishi today, you'll never have known who did whatever happened. Ni kweli? So as long as zinaekwa mahali, I expose bathrooms, washrooms, you know, changing rooms, I think it's a good thing also to protect our kids. Let's not pretend. Tunaekanga CCTVs hata kwa nyumba, because si ati una expose house help ama nini ama nani. It's because you want to protect your kids. So I believe it's a good idea as long as it doesn't invade the privacy of the kids.
And due to tension that is happening in high schools, do you think schools should be closed for a while? Because sasa hivi kila kidogo unaamka hivi shule fulani imefungwa, shule fulani wako break.
Okay, I don't think, because you know when you close schools you encourage that. You encourage, we can always do this. I think we need to instill more discipline. Manze si tulikuwa tunabitii kwa mbaya. Unajua, it was, na of course kutoka viboko zitolewe shule imeharibu a lot of things, but we just need to find a better way to instill discipline and kids to know, you know, it cannot always go your way, because the outside world, it doesn't go our way, you know. There's a reason why you are outside here, because if it went your way ungekuwa kwa nyumba umelala, you get. So if we teach this generation to just make things go their way, we will create a generation that will not be able to withstand the outside world, you know.
Okay, as we wind up Bahati, because I know Ricky B also iko hapa, and you know it's good to speak in your vernacular language. Karibishe watu Kamba Festival 2026, but you speak in Kikamba.
Yes.
Yeah, na pia
it's September?
September 2nd of September.
No.
It's
19th. Yes.
19th of
Yes.
September 2026, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
At KICC.
So matuko 19 mwe wa kenda keki lobby kini kinene karibu Kamba Festival 2026.
Na Bahati atakuwepo.
Yes, I'll be performing live.
All right.
Yes.
Waliajibu ya boarding.
Oh. Tumbili anataka
Opinion yako. Yeah. There is a debate that boarding schools should be abolished. And your son is in boarding.
Don't abolish boarding schools. Si tunajua watu tumepitia boarding zina, you know they teach you responsibility. Boarding schools are good because they teach you responsibility. Sababu at home pengine mtoto amezoea house help, amezoea kila kitu anafanyiwa. It's a good. Personally, I'm planning to take my kids, all of my kids, as soon as they get to grade 6, to boarding schools, and I'm already preparing heaven and Majesty and Mweni about going to boarding schools. It's very important. I also believe because of a good boarding school, that's why Morgan passed and he went to Lenan. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Bahati.
I think